years ago, I was cyberbullied, and it was vicious, it was terrible, it was a slaughter upon my personality and my taters. So, I'm going to introduce you guys to Vegans vs. Meat Eaters. So this photo, which would seem innocent enough, had people basically being completely, utterly nasty and horrid towards me. They called me an attention seeker. They called me a slut. They called me a thought without using the word thought because thought was not a thing, but they were very nasty to me, and they even called me a non-vegan for this reason. So, that image sparked a reaction from Annalise O'Malley. Annalise O'Malley was really mean to me for no reason. She just did not like that I had titties. She did not like that there was big mammary gland potential space upon my chest, and she made a comment basically calling me nasty and calling me names. She was a big old blue meanie, and she basically did not like that I had taters. Annalise says, "Christy, don't bring your nasty drama queen 3 taint over here. You're no vegan. You just like getting your tits out for claps." So need I remind you of the tits? These were the tits. This was the image that this was in response to. So she says, "Drama over. If you want to see her tits, she's run back over to the skunts in cesspit 3. So there is group 3 and 4 of Vegans vs. Meat Eaters. Group 4 we don't like there. Group 3 I believe is a ghost town now. So Annalise for some reason had this big hate boner for yours truly. For some reason, poor little me made Annalise tie herself into knots. She had her knickers in twisted scenarios. I don't even know. But Annalise hated me for whatever reason. Was I younger? I don't know. Was I prettier? I mean, that face is not very pretty there. So I really don't know why she reacted like that. But she did. This group as well, see this Facebook group right here? This group chat, they were messaging me to bully me. And I don't even understand why, because as far as I know, I did more for animals than most of them. They were just so nasty for whatever reason. So, this was an interaction that I had with her. "Why is that, Christy?" I said, "This was a month ago. Please don't expect me to remember." Then she said, "You say you are vegan. You need to spend more time on it instead of drama, gossiping, bitching, flirting, and showing your tits." And then I said, "When even? Like, when have I shown my tits? I mean, there was that pic of me in a tight shirt once." I will refer to this image. This is the pic in the tight shirt. But I wasn't showing tits. That thread is all over Facebook, Annalise says. And I said, "But I never showed my tits. And I do not flirt, I would probably die." And Annalise says, "You should have some dignity and respect for yourself. And if you're vegan, focus on things that matter." And I just said, "I'm just nice to everyone." So, yeah. I don't know why they hated me so much. Mark still hates me there. I don't know what I did. I mean, I quit being vegan, so maybe that's something. So just to finish this video off, I'm going to react to a cringy video that I did years ago.
I'm a vegan. I need tea. get into the big YouTube. Polly says that's what you do when you're vegan through and through. Freely's love, Freely's life. Vegan Games has got enough. Vegan Games has got a wife. Durian riders in strife. So she's gonna slay you with her hair, and she nearly doesn't have a care. If I was a cheetah, I'd be scared, because Sweetie's gonna want me dead. Latricia Paytas was a vegan. I forgot the words, sort of. I'm remembering them though. Right up in her basement, does she really though? Durian says Freely has some Botox, so she sounds some shade.
She looks like a pro and a fox each and every day. Still true.
Remember that Asana chick?
Yes, I do.
Mental break.
Why is social media insisting always being fake?
Weren't we for the animals
Then weren't we for the people?
Why is
So super cool instead of being evil. So yeah, I guess that's really it today. I just wanted to react to this funny situation that happened years ago. I figured you guys might laugh at it. I found it funny at the time, and I thought it would be funny to share. So if you like this content, please leave a like, subscribe, share the video, and if you would love to be part of the community, I have a Discord link in below. I would love to see you in our Discord. I also do Twitch streams. I don't have a steady schedule. I am looking at organizing something, but it's really hard around a full-time job and school. So I pretty much stream when I can. But yeah, I would love it if you guys came down and hung out. I always talk in my Discord, and I'm not always in the voice channels, but I am sometimes. So yeah, if you guys would like to hang out and be part of the community, that would be super epic. Love you guys. Bye.